Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Ripster from Street Sharks. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Ripster from Street Sharks, let's begin with the nose. I want to start right here, and we're just going to make a little line that's going to come up and then down like this, kind of like a rounded triangle shape. Then right inside of here, let's make a line that goes over and then down on each side for the nostrils. Now, starting here, let's draw a line that's going to go down. Then we're going to come back like this in like a check mark shape. Same thing here, we're just going to go down, and then we're going to bring it back in like a check mark. For the eye, let's draw a line that goes over and then up like this. And same thing here, we're going to go over and then bring it up. Next, let's make a circle inside of here for the pupils. Then let's color in the rest of this. Let's do the same thing here. Just make a little circle and then color in the rest of this. Now right here, let's make a line that's going to come up and then down. And then same thing here. Let's draw a line that's going to come up and then down. Let's curve a line here, and then let's curve a line here underneath the eyes. Now for the top of the head, let's draw a line that's just going to come up here. And we'll do the same thing here. We're going to bring this line up. Then I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up and then down here for the shark fin. Now, starting here underneath the nose, let's make like a big smiley face shape. Then we're going to make a line that comes down on each side. Then we'll go up. And then we'll make a little line here on each side. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. We're going to go over and up. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come across here. And then I'm going to draw a line that's going to come right across here for like the gums. Next, we're going to add the teeth. So we're just going to make some sharp teeth all the way across here inside the mouth. So I'm just going to make some little V shapes right here. And then we're going to make some triangle shapes down here. Just to kind of fill up the mouth with lots of teeth. Then I'll make a line that's just going to curve across here. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to come out and then down. And then same thing here. I'll make a line that's going to come out and then down. Right underneath here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down and then back up. Then I'm going to bring this line in, and then same thing here. I'm going to bring this line in. I'm going to curve this line in and curve this line in. Then I'm going to draw this line down and up. Now let's work on the body. Let's begin by drawing a line that's going to go down and then over, and then one right here that's going to go down and then over for the chest. Then we're going to make lines going to come down. It's going to go over and then up for the body. Then I'll make two lines across here for some details. And then a line that's going to come down. Next, let's draw a line right here. It's going to go down, it's going to come over, and then up. Then I'm going to make 2 lines down. Now for the legs, we're going to draw a line that's going to go out and then down, and then same thing here, out and then down. I'm going to make a line across here, and then a line across here. Make a line that's going to come up like this, and then up like this. Now we're going to make a line across. Next for the shoe, I'm going to draw a line that comes out and then back up. And then same thing here, we're just going to go out and then just kind of curve it back up. Then I'll make a line right across the bottom. Now on the knees, let's just make a little kind of zigzag shape just so it looks like the pants are ripped. Now for the arms. So we want to start right up here, and I'm just going to begin by drawing a line that's going to curve out and down, and then same thing here, just curve this line out and then down. I'm going to make another line that curves down, and one more here. Then I'm just going to make a line that's going to come down here, and then same thing here, just kind of bring it down. I'm going to bring this line over, up, and in, and then same thing here, we're just going to kind of go over, up, and then in. We're going to curve this line, and we'll curve a line here. We're going to bring this up and over. We're going to bring this up and over. And bring this up, and bring this line up. We're going to curve this line up to here, and we're going to curve this line up to here. Then let's make a line here for the bicep, and then another line right here. And there you go, there is your drawing of Ripster from Street Sharks. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.